The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and DJI Avata 360 represent two of the most ambitious steps forward in DJI's rapidly accelerating product roadmap. A roadmap that has become tighter and more urgent as the industry watches every move leading up to the U.S. import deadline of December 23, 2025. A deadline that has influenced the pace, strategy, and release sequencing of nearly every major DJI launch this year. With the Action 6 already rolling out in China and preparing for a global debut, DJI appears to be orchestrating one of the most aggressive multi-device drops in its history. And the Osmo Pocket 4 sits right at the center of that momentum. The Osmo Pocket line has always been known for its pocket-sized power, combining mechanical stabilization, excellent image quality, and a form factor unmatched by any competitor. But the Pocket 4 is shaping up to become the biggest leap the series has ever seen, thanks to a dual-camera system that has finally been visually confirmed through the latest leaks. These images, shared by trusted leaker Igor Benov, show a design that is dramatically more refined than the early prototype-looking images that surfaced months earlier. Gone is the chunky head with soft prototype contours, replaced with what appears to be a near production-ready gimbal featuring a compact but robust dual-lens module, with the primary camera rumored to house a 1-inch sensor. A significant upgrade that would bring low light performance, dynamic range, and cinematic image quality to a level previously impossible in such a small device. The second lens, highly likely a telephoto module, opens up creative possibilities for documentary shooters, travelers, reviewers, vloggers, and run-and-gun filmmakers who want optical reach without ever carrying additional gear. Combined with rumored Hasselblad color tuning hidden under display controls, a rear-facing screen that improves monitoring flexibility, and enhanced durability engineered for unpredictable real-world environments, the Osmo Pocket 4 feels like the most thoughtfully evolved version yet, shaped by years of user feedback and field testing. The kind of testing DJI is known for when they place near-final hardware in the hands of select testers to analyze autofocus behavior, motion consistency, stabilization algorithms, mixed lighting performance, exposure shifts, and any challenges that only surface when a camera is used in chaotic daily life rather than controlled lab setups. Although the full specs haven't been revealed publicly, the combination of a significantly larger sensor, a secondary lens, stronger build quality, and DJI's signature gimbal stabilization strongly suggests that the Pocket 4 may redefine what creators expect from a pocket-sized cinema tool, blurring the boundaries between consumer portability and professional-grade image capture. Meanwhile, equally captivating and perhaps even more groundbreaking for the aerial cinematography world is the DJI Avata 360, a drone that extends DJI's FPV evolution into an entirely new dimension, quite literally with the introduction of full-sphere, 360-degree capture, rumored 8K resolution, and a hybrid design that merges immersive VR-style FPV flight with traditional drone imaging flexibility. The leaked promotional-style images of the Avata 360 images that are far too polished to be accidental shine a light on a drone that is more sophisticated and sensor-rich than any FPV craft DJI has released to date. One of the most compelling aspects is the dual-lens 360 capture system, believed to be an evolution of the company's recent standalone 360 camera technology, allowing the Avata 360 not only to record everything around it simultaneously, but also to shift seamlessly into a single-lens FPV mode, thanks to a one-axis mechanical tilt system that orients one lens forward for traditional flight footage. This hybrid approach effectively gives pilots two drones in one, a full 360-degree aerial camera, capable of impossible reframing shots and invisible drone perspectives, and a fluid high-speed FPV machine capable of precise maneuvers, tight lines, and cinematic agility. The Avata 360's body, as shown in leaks, features multiple forward-facing sensors that appear to include both visual and LiDAR modules, with additional side sensors visible along the frame. suggesting a near-complete environmental awareness system that would dramatically enhance safety in both FPV and 360 flight modes. If those sensors support full omnidirectional obstacle detection, the Avata 360 could become the most pilot-friendly FPV platform ever created, removing much of the risk traditionally associated with FPV flying and opening the doors for creators who want the thrill and perspective of FPV footage without the steep learning curve or high crash potential. And then there's the rumor that the Avata 360 may weigh under 250 grams, placing it firmly in the CO drone category and avoiding most flight restrictions worldwide. A monumental advantage for travelers, content creators, and professionals who want cinematic freedom without regulatory limitations. Controller support also appears to be expanding, with leaks pointing toward compatibility with both the joystick style DJI RC controller preferred by cinematic pilots and the motion-based DJI RC Motion 3 paired with goggles N3. A system that aligns perfectly with the direction DJI's FPV ecosystem has been evolving: greater immersion, more intuitive controls, and options tailored to different styles of flying. Compared to competitors like Insta360's Anti-Gravity 01, which is locked to a single controller design, DJI's multi-controller compatibility would be a major selling point and another sign of DJI's commitment to creating a fully modular, interconnected FPV ecosystem rather than one-off products. Both devices, the OSMO Pocket 4 and Avata 360, fit into DJI's larger strategic push happening right now. A push to rapidly expand their lineup with next-generation imaging tools before regulatory pressures tighten further. December is shaping up to be one of the most loaded months in DJI's history, and neither of these products feels rushed. Instead, they feel like the culmination of years of parallel development converging at the perfect moment. The Pocket 4 aims to dominate ground-based compact filmmaking with a sensor boost, dual-lens creativity, advanced stabilization, new interface refinements, and Hasselblad color science, while the Avata 360 aims to revolutionize aerial imaging by merging FPV agility with 360-degree capture, unprecedented environmental sensing, sub-250 grams freedom, and broader controller support. Together, they represent DJI's vision for the future: creative tools that shrink in size but expand in capability, devices that merge AI, optics, stabilization, compact engineering, and intuitive control systems into products that make capturing cinematic content more accessible and more exciting than ever before. And with more leaks expected at any moment and multiple launches lining up across November and December, it's clear that both the OSMO Pocket 4 and the Avata 360 are poised to reshape how creators shoot, fly, explore, and tell visual stories in 2024 and beyond, marking a defining chapter in DJI's race to deliver groundbreaking innovation while the window of unrestricted global distribution remains open.